What's going on, guys? This is recording here with my phone. I just want to show you exactly where the clips go. If you want to look right behind this intake box here, you want to look back, reach over here, right under this wire here, you want to pointing right there, and that's where the boost pressure sensor is going to be at. It's pretty much plug and play. You plug the harness into this one, and the original plug you plug into the splicer on the other side. It's going to splice up into two. I'm going to bring you back over to this side over here, right to the left of where you pour in your oil. If you want to look down right here, that's where the looks like the camshaft position wire goes here. Same thing again, it's kind of spliced up, the harness spliced up into two, so you want to put the original clip into the other side. You want to look back behind here, so it's pretty close from here and then to the intake box back here, intake manifold. Same thing, I mean, it's plug and play, so you want to look back here, the clip is right there, so you want to put the harness into there and the original one into the other side of the harness there. Let's see here, still trying to figure out where I want to put all my wiring. But yeah, I mean, it's very simple. I mean, here's the plug here for the tune box, and then yeah, thanks for watching, guys.